Welcome at forextrading.com. Today is 6th October 2011 and right now is 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right now we are looking at S&P 500 contracts and we've seen the plunge here. I mean when the breakout occur, we've seen a breakout from this important support resistance level and the market accelerated to the downside, meeting important next support resistance when it backed up a little bit or aggressively. We could call it an aggressive movement and 4-hour chart. So right now we are in a medium growing trend. This wave is growing and it seems to be there are no sellers right now at this point. So why does it happening right now? Well, first of all, we were looking for the plunge, of course, because of this dome, because of this market movement. Market was going down naturally after this plunge occurred, and I was also talking about the second perspective about the general fundamentals on the market. Well, we are talking about the comfortable zone of the price at S&P 500 contracts. Well, I was talking about this at Forex course that if the market really was so strong to fall, it should be falling down somewhere from here, not making this kind of sideways movement. So this sideways movement was telling us that the market isn't really so strong. I'm talking about either buyers or sellers. There is equilibrium. So we are talking about the balance between buyers and sellers. So if there is a balance, of course, there are no buyers right now, and there was a signal of selling before, so the market came lower. But I was telling you that we have strong possibility of the big business coming into the market to keep some positions growing, because the big business I'm talking about fundamentals are the funds, the stocks players, all the big businesses that has a lot of stocks, and in their business is the situation to keep the stocks growing. It's the biggest money at the market. So if the biggest money in the market are into the buying, there is nothing that could compare to it. So that's what probably happening right now. I mean, we have always some kind of the risks, and that's what I'm talking about at Forex courses. Not only why do we have a chance to go down rapidly, why do we have a chance to go to recession deeply and aggressively, I'm also talking about why do we have a chances to come back to this comfortable zone, why is it happening right now, what are the chances to market go down and go up again, and what it's gonna be. And today is a very important day. I'm talking about the official bank rates at pound and euro zone and unemployment claims in US. So we are talking about the most interesting, most volatile news coming out today as it's Thursday. So it might be changing the market a little bit or a lot. So I guess the it didn't help those data news publication right now didn't help S&P 500 market to go down again lower and lower, because the situation is unstable before news publishing. And the euro dollar came up a little bit as well. It's just following the S&P 500 movement, and pound is in similar situation, but it didn't have so much strength. Looking at the gold, we are moving at sideways moves right now. So in this kind of sideways movement, there is no actual trend. So I'm saying the downtrend trend does not exist after this kind of movement, or uptrend, which occurred before, medium uptrend right here at this wave. It does not work if the this rectangle is too strong, if it's too wide. It means we have balance between buyers and sellers, and either way, buyers may come up at the market or sellers will go down with the market again. So right now we are just checking it up, see what the market's gonna tell us in some near future, because it will be a reacting after some sudden movement at S&P 500 and currencies. So that will be it for now. Thank you very much. I hope to see you at Forex Trading courses online. Thank you.